Welcome to the second edition of this PI Cognitive Assessment Test. It contains 50 questions like you all know. So please do subscribe to this channel in order for you to get the remaining questions. So now I will start by showing us how the answers have been gotten. So now question 1. When you look at it, this is circular permutation color grading. The inner one will go to the outside while the outside one will go to the inner one. That is the movement. So the answer of that one is B. Okay, when you look at this question, now I've solved this question before. You're responsible for million 5,000. From the ones I've solved, the answer is 5,000. Chisel is to stone, as mold is to what? Clay. So it's clay that is the answer to this. Now, this is still circular permutation. You will note that C will be the answer because the movement of the arrow goes up, then from the up it will turn back to the opposite and start again. Now the next question, number 5. Which of the following is the opposite of the word moderate? Is extreme, which is C. The next one, what is the next number in the sequence below? 3, 6, 9, what? 12. Which is A. Which of the following is the opposite of the word biased? Reasonable. Then from here you will see that the answer will now be D because it's moving in opposite way. Sam has been asked for prepared 40 documents in 2 weeks. Okay, in 2 days. Then the answer should be A, 4. I've solved this question before, please. Then, so here the information given is not enough. So you cannot determine it. Then what is the next number in the sequence? This is dividing. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So the answer is A to that question. The darker one here, number 12, is moving clockwise, while the other one is moving anti-clockwise. So the answer here should be B. Is B. Okay. The next question. Then a customer telephone. I've solved this question. The answer is 15 persons. So it's D. Thirsty is to drink. As exhausted is to what? To rest. So D is the answer here. Okay, here you have to consider symmetric. A, B, C is symmetric when you cut them with that line, but D is not. So D is the one that is the answer. Here you have to consider to use a calculator. When you add them up, you will find out that 0.91 is the answer. That is the lowest one. All X items are blue. I've solved this question before. So C is the answer. Is incorrect. Here, the arrow there is moving clockwise. So you find out that the other one will shoot down, which is B. B is the answer. What is the next number in the sequence? Here, you will find out that the answer will be 21 because you will say 2 plus 3 is okay. The next one, the darker one here, number 20, is moving anti-clockwise, while the other one vice versa. Okay, 21. The answer here, I've solved this before, something that is A is the answer, is correct. The two figures above, okay, you will see that that D is the answer there. Then what is which number has the lowest? That is 0.14. Okay, then that is A is the answer there. Which of the following is the opposite of the word hostile? Hostile is cordial. Okay, if you are hostile, then the opposite should be cordial. Which number has the lowest value? From here, when you use a calculator, you see that C is the answer. Which of the following is the opposite of the word severe, which is gentle? I've seen this question before. So please make sure that you get yourself accustomed to all these questions. Then from here, you see that A is the answer. Okay, number 27 is A. Okay, then number 28, what is the next number in the sequence? It's multiplying by 2. Okay, 56 times 2 is 112. So that is the answer. Then here now, okay, that is A is the answer. The first one doesn't have any arrow, second one have 1, the second one, okay, like that. What is the next number in the sequence? Okay, they are adding, okay, plus 3 then plus 1. So plus 3 then you add 1. That is the step. Which of the following is the opposite of the, okay, you take 4 hours to put them. From here now you have 7 as the answer. I've solved this question in one of my videos. Which of the following is the opposite of the word frugal? That is wasteful. No, efficient. If something is frugal, then it should be okay. Next one, now I've solved this question. Yes, I've solved it, and the answer is C. Let's move on, please. You have to get, just watch the whole video. You will find, you will pass this exam very well. Which number has the lowest value? 1/5, that is 0.2, that is C. Then this now, for this now is B. Okay, the number of the cycle increases by 1. Just note that. Agenda is to meeting, as itinerary is to what? Is to trip. Yes, I've solved this question before. Itinerary is to trip. I've solved this question also. Okay, this is mirroring now. Then the answer here should be what? A. Once you watch this in the mirror, this is what it will turn to the other side. Then for this, you will see that 20 is the answer, which is A. I've solved this question. See, so this PI cognition is not just testing your brain, but if you have met like these questions before, you will just be clicking and be going. There is no time for you to even solve all these things. That is just the truth. So what is the next number in the sequence below? This and this. Okay, that is the next one will be what? Okay, all employees have solved this question. The answer is what? Incorrect. I don't need to waste time. Please make sure you watch the videos all. Watch the shadow. So the only one that is going in opposite direction is what? Is B. B is the only one going, that the shadow, just the shadow is going in the other direction. Okay, then for this, I've solved it. The answer is correct. All people on the project team 1 is correct. I have all the answers so far. What number has the lowest value? Once you use a calculator, you will see that A is the answer. And I've solved this question also. And the answer to this question is what? Is C. Now the next one. Okay, hands are to clock as pages are to what? Are to book. Now book is alright. Book is the answer there. Then here also the line of symmetry, you will see it that D will be going the other direction. It will not look alike. This, okay, which number has the lowest value? When you check it, you will see that 6/8 will give you 0.8. With your calculator, you see that is the answer. If 8 part takes this, the answer is what? 15. I've solved this question in one of mine. So thank you so much. Please do subscribe. Please do subscribe, and God will bless you. You will get this job